What a beautiful day. Look at the sun setting behind me. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in like the little fairy enchanted forest. I still can't talk because of my allergies. I mean, literally, we have had like the best day ever. We have kayaked over to the marina here on Lake Blue Ridge. Now we have came to this little island on our kayaks, and I feel like I'm going in the little enchanted forest. I mean, oh my gosh. Found some old man's beard. Anybody that knows about old man's beard, like this is great for inflammation for your lungs. And it has like a little bitty tube, I call it, like a little spaghetti noodle, and you can also boil it down and eat it like spaghetti. Yeah, so there's like so many different things just like on this island. If crap went down, you literally have a supply of water, abundance. Even if they drain it, you'll have an abundance. Great vegetation and stuff like that. So just open up your eyes and start asking the universe and Mother Earth, like, what is she gonna bring to you? What are the gifts? What are the fruits? I mean, I'm in here hiking, no shoes on, enjoying, like right here. See this guy? That is like a knot. That is called a pine knot. And that guy right there, you put some fire to it, and that is a instant fire igniter. Pine knots. I got some nuts for you. But like, there is so much stuff to learn from the land. Are you ready to start opening up and receiving the gifts, the knowledge? They did it back in the 1800s. They did it before our time. They did it before technology. These are the gifts, the fruits of the universe that are being gifted to each and every one of us. Are you listening? Are you going to be prepared when you have to go back to nature? Like, are you really going to be prepared? I'm telling you, open your mind, open your hearts, and open your soul to receive the messages. Because you're going to need them, I promise you.